Hello guys, welcome to the first tutorial on Android app development. This is gonna be a full-fledged and complete course for this Android app development for the beginners. I will try my best to make it as easy, as simple as possible. So in this course, all we have to learn is the softwares that we require for the Android app development, how to install them, all these softwares, how to use those softwares, and finally we will start our actual work, that is designing and coding of our Android app. So the very first thing is the package, the softwares that we need to install. Okay, the first thing that we need to install here is JDK, which stands for Java Development Kit. This is pretty much a package, and when we work with our Android app development, we will need to import various packages and libraries in our app. That is gonna happen when we have this JDK in our system. The second thing that we need here is the Android Studio. Maybe if your dream is to develop an Android app, that you must be very familiar with this software. Then this Android Studio software, this is basically the platform on which we develop our apps. So the first thing that we need to install here is the JDK. Simply go to a browser and type Java JDK. Enter. And okay, this is crashing. The first thing that we need here is the first link, oracle.com. Click on it. And then install. Here are two buttons, two download buttons. You can click here or you can click here. You'll find there is this JDK for Linux, 64-bit, for Mac, for Windows. Just go for the Windows if you have the Windows 64-bit. Then here's the .exe file. Just click on accept and then start downloading. Simply clicking on it, or just find any other JDK file as per your operating system. Finally, after downloading it, then you have to install it. And the second thing that you need to install and download is the Android Studio download. You'll see the first option is developer.android.com. This is the actual link of the Android developers. Click on it and you will find here is the download button. Okay, this is gonna download the Android Studio by default for the Windows 64-bit. If you do not have the Windows 64-bit, then click on the download option and find the software for your respective operating system. If you have 32-bit, if you have Mac, if you have Linux, accordingly click on your package and then start downloading and installing. And after you finish installing both the JDK and Android Studio, in the next tutorial we will start working actually on the app using this Android Studio platform. Just don't forget to pin your Android Studio software here in the taskbar. So this is it for this video. See you in the next video. We will start the actual coding and designing of app development. Hope you like it. Subscribe for the amazing content. Take care.